Grace decided to take care of the pigs up here at the garden this morning, and I think she is doing a fine job.
Not just this morning.
Not just this morning?
What?
Good. For the next 5 years.
Hey! Hey! Sticky! Sticky!
The puppies got their first meal of solid food, softened puppy chow, and they're still nibbling on it a little bit. And we brought them all out here in the sun to get a little sun and just to check them all out and play with them this morning.
Yeah!
Show me the fattest one.
Cuddle is the fattest one. Okay, which one of you three is behind you, Daddy? They're pretty much, these two are pretty much the same. Oh, this is Cuddle, because his fur is like sort of upturned.
Cuddle, are you the biggest one? Have you been eating? Have you been greedily eating?
I didn't find Indian paper. Stinky smells like a skunk. Well, I'll name them what they look like.
Name them what they look like? Good idea.
Yeah, skinny, hairy. And this one is stinky. He smells like quack, 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 quack. I'm a choco. I'm red choco. Oh, that's a boy.
Don't you think you're big enough already,
That
buddy?
one,
You don't need to eat anymore.
I don't see you. Come here. Run away, don't run away. It looks like they're having a date.
You having fun with the puppies?
I really want to keep him. This cream colored is the dog that I've always wanted. The color. Yeah, but we're having a date.
Let's put all the puppies away and have nap time, guys. And lunch.
Don't put my sweet little Stinky away.
The kids are really having fun with these puppies. They've not been that hard yet. We're about to vaccinate all of them. And we haven't set a puppy giveaway date yet when we're going to start, but before Christmas.
The puppy giveaway day is like a few weeks before. It's like a week before Christmas. We're not giving away Cuddle.
We are giving away Cuddle. What a nice plate of grilled cheese sandwiches. Go perfectly with some sauerkraut, right? But one problem. We're out of sauerkraut. I thought, in order to inspire more people to make sauerkraut, and you'll have to check out this video here, I made sauerkraut with probably a couple hundred people. I love getting people to ferment. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put on a timer. I'm gonna show you how long it takes to make a really fast batch of sauerkraut. All right, we're gonna start the timer. I'm gonna get out my ingredients here. First, I'm gonna chop this cabbage pretty finely. Like that. I'm gonna put it in a glass bowl. Fancy salt.
Salt the cabbage so it tastes salty, but not gross, so that you would actually eat it with that much salt on it.
I'm gonna work this for just a minute or two. Big glass jar. Is there a canning funnel somewhere around here? I'm okay. We're gonna pack that in here. I'm gonna use a 1/2 pint jar to weight down my sauerkraut with water in it. I'm gonna cover this with a paper towel and a ring. I'm doing all this goofiness with this timer just because I like inspiring people to do things like ferment food. So I wanted to show you that you can make a batch of sauerkraut really fast. You'll notice a few things. I didn't work this extensively, so I'm gonna watch it today and tomorrow and make sure it develops brine to cover up the cabbage. I may push my cabbage down a little bit. If it doesn't develop enough brine to cover the cabbage, then I'll mix a little bit of salt brine, salt water, and just pour it in there. I'm gonna put this on the fridge and I'll let you know how it goes. 6 minutes, y'all. Other than the cleanup. I kind of made a mess. And of course, we won't be eating sauerkraut for lunch today. We'll eat it in a couple weeks, maybe around Christmas.